Have red brows, reddish copperish hair, braids. It almost looks like it's in a bob. Let me fix it for you. Like this. So I curled it last night, the ends, and this is how it looks right up here. So but I want to wear it this way. So today's video is gonna be like a Easter look, and I'm gonna show y'all a whole different just Easter outfit. It's just gonna be me in a pretty simple, I think I'm gonna do a white dress and with pearls or something on. It's gonna be a very kind of dramatic look. I'm gonna use like Easter colors like yellow, purple, and like mint green and stuff. So it's gonna be kind of a bold look, but then the outfit I'm gonna just do solid white color. All right, let's go. y'all can see this, and y'all are shaking. I'm so sorry. Okay, so this is the dress. I'll do, of course, full body pictures and stuff. I need to pin right here because it is a little bit too big. But the dress, the shoes I'm wearing, mint green, to kind of match under my eye, make up a little bit. Basically everything I have on is from Shein or Sheen. So the earrings, from the necklace to the dress to the shoes. So yes. Now I'm gonna go take pictures and include the pictures in this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Happy Easter.
What do I have to say to keep you by my side? Heart is starting to liquefy. Need you here to tell me that I'll be